Okay, this is how you compress the belt tensioner on the Honda Civic 1.8 2006 model. So you just need a box wrench, 19mm size. Just put it in the tensioner stud like that. And the next thing is, if you have a hydraulic jack handle like this, bigger size, you just you don't need to put the whole end of the wrench because it won't fit, just half of it. Yeah, and then you can easily, just like that, and you can easily, with one hand, you can compress like that, easy. So you can see that one is the that one is your hydraulic tensioner. Okay, so instead of using two double box end to have a longer leverage, you just do it slowly, and then you can remove and install your belt.